Hey there, welcome back, and this is the fourth day of the 30-day challenge to get fluent in English. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, here I have been observing from first video to fourth video. First day, I felt underconfident. During the recording the video, I felt underconfident and my subconscious mind was not supporting me to let me talk in English because I was conscious about camera and just forget about behind the scene. There is too much disturbance, guys. So and now you can observe my video, first video and third and fourth video. Now I am feeling confident. I do not get fear. I am not underconfident. And my subconscious mind literally it's supporting me to talk in English fluently. That's what improvement. You can see practice makes man perfect. Just practice and practice. Definitely we will get success. So here I am proudly tell you all guys, just practice. Practice is a very important to get fluent in English. So I have uploaded 3 videos, but also I have uploaded 107 videos in my YouTube channel. That time I was just practicing in front of camera. And it helps me also to improve my fluency. So therefore, I am always practice in front of the camera or in front of the mirror that I would feel confident. Therefore, eye contact is very important. If you talk to yourself, then you will feel confident whenever you will contact in your eyes, in the mirror, in the camera, then you will feel confident to talk with anybody. You do not feel underconfident. Therefore, you can practice in front of the camera or mirror. It's okay, you are practicing alone, but use this technique, which will help you to get fluent in English. And another thing, I have watched many videos in YouTube channel and Instagram and all. Many people mentioned that grammar is not important. But also I would like to say that who all are beginners, how they can understand. If they do not know literally basic also, they couldn't understand what is the present, what is the past and what is the future. I do work, I did work, and I will do work. What I have mentioned here 3 sentences, how could they understand? I did work. Yesterday I did work. It is a past. Then how they could understand? That's why I am telling you here guys, you just know about basic grammar. And you do not worry about detail grammar. You just know about basic grammar and you can understand at least what is the future, past and present. And there are some prepositions and all. You can understand on the table, under the table, in front of the table, on the wall. You can just understand basic grammar. And there are articles and all, where to use a, an and the, when to use. You can just understand the basic thing. Then only you will understand everything. The structure is important. The rule is important. I know detailed grammar is not important in speaking. Speaking is just, communication is just to understand each other. But also, you can understand basic rule. That's it. And next, one thing I would like to share with you all guys, I have observed that whenever I conversation without script in front of camera directly whenever I talk in front of camera, I do feel confident. I do not feel underconfident because my mind will not be conscious. If my mind will become conscious, then I could not record a video. I will think another and I will talk another. Like that, I will make mistake. That's what without script. I can imagine, I can talk fluently. Whatever words will come in my mind, then I will just speak it loud. This is how I practiced. Before, I was used to first write a script, then record a video. That could difficult for me to record a video, and therefore I was struggling a lot. I was thinking a lot while communicating, and I was taking retakes, many retakes, and I was recording. After many retakes, it will become one video. So it's very difficult, therefore practice is very important, and nowadays I do not feel any fear, any hesitation, uncomfortable, underconfident, anything. I do not feel anything. Okay guys, please leave your comments what topic I will make a video next. I am also not advanced here. I am also learning English, and if I made any mistake, please leave your comments in the comment box and I will correct it. I will take it as a positive. I don't bother about that because I love to learn from anybody. Therefore, you should also do not hesitate to learn from anybody, no matter youngers or elders, who all are knows. You can just take knowledge from them, and do not hesitate to learn from anybody. There is no matter, you just learn. There is a matter we need to learn. So this is what today's video. I hope you got this video useful, and please hit the like button, share this video more and more, and subscribe my channel if you haven't. You will get more notifications. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.